Let's go over comparing decimals. So in this example we are comparing 647 thousandths and 65 hundredths. Now if we look at the two numbers we can see that this number 647 thousandths has more digits than 65 hundredths. But just because it has more digits doesn't mean that it has the largest value. So to compare the decimal numbers it is important that we compare the digits in each of the place value spots. So to do that let's follow these three simple steps. So first let's rewrite the numbers and line up each of the decimal points. Now the next thing we're going to do is compare the whole number spots. So just look in front of the decimal. In front of the decimal I have 0 and 0. That's the same. Alright, so now we're going to compare each decimal place value spot. So if I look at the number directly behind the decimal in the tenths place, I have a 6 and a 6. So right now we're still equal. If I go to the next place value spot, this is where it's different. In the hundredths place, I have 4 hundredths in the first number and 5 hundredths in the second number. Well, everything is equal up until this point right here. So because 5 is larger than 4, it doesn't matter about this 7 over here. It doesn't matter at all. But because 5 hundredths is more than 4 hundredths, that makes 65 hundredths would be larger than 647 thousandths. Let's look at another example. So first I'm going to rewrite each number. I'm going to line up my decimal points. 1, 0. So the next thing we're going to do is compare the whole numbers. So if I look in front of my decimal point, I can see right away that this number is larger. So 1 and 11 thousandths is larger than 926 thousandths.